Hi everyone, Sean from Dublin TEFL here and TD Lab. I just wanted to show you a tool called otter.ai. In case you've never used it, I find it really useful for all of these authentic listenings. So let's skip over here. Tell you what, let's make myself a bit less intrusive and pop up here. You have two options: record, and you can record directly also on your phone. That's pretty handy if you're the person doing the recording. Or you can import. Now you get three free imports on any account. So if you had something like a video or an audio file that you want to upload, then Otter will, and what it does is transcribe it, not phonetically, not phonemically. It'll transcribe it orthographically. It saves you basically typing up tape scripts yourself. It saves a lot of time. It's not perfect, like a lot of dictation tools. It's not perfect, but it will save a lot of time. You don't need to import either. If you've got good sound quality on your message, for example, we're using WhatsApp messages, then you can just go straight ahead and record like this. Let's see how it works. So I hit record. Okay, it's already recording. I'll go over to one of my messages from the TD Lab staff room. Let's pick the first one from Dan.
I think that it depends on where the graffiti is. A lot of businesses have shutters and they commission people to do artwork for them, which obviously would be legal.
Okay, so you can see how it works there. Okay, I'll go back over now to show you the finished thing. And here we are. So now it's finished. I've got another one processing, but click on here. It's called Note. So I'm going to change that just to, that was Dan, and graffiti. I'll change that. And then here, it's time to edit. So I'll move myself over here, go on to edit. Fine, there's some keyboard shortcuts. We hit play.
I think that it depends on where the graffiti is. A lot of businesses have shutters.
Okay, so it's missed a lot of businesses. I like to put in those hesitation devices. I find it useful for my students, so I'm going to add those in, and I'm just going to double check everything else is transcribed.
The businesses have shutters and they commission people to do artwork for them.
Not artwork, but artwork. Okay, so you get the idea with this.
Artwork for them, which obviously would be legal. But if it is covering up commission work or it is on a historical building, then I think that this should be punished, even if what they're doing looks good. This should be punished. Okay. Even if what they're doing looks good.
And that's it. Okay, that's a lot. So I click on done. So you notice I had to do a couple of very quick edits and corrections and add in some of the drafting phenomena, hesitation devices, and so on. And that's it. My tape script's ready to go. I can copy and paste this into something else, or I can use it itself. Now the sound quality maybe isn't tip top, given that I've played this through my computer and back into it. But you'll notice one great thing about this is it's an interactive tape script. You know, the students can have this and they can click on a lot of, for example, and repeat again and again to try and, you know, internalize the possibilities of that sound shape, that chunk. There we go. I hope you find it useful. So otter.ai, top tip. All right. Hope to see you on TD Lab and share some more authentic unscripted audio soon.